Our prices are finally starting up. La Jolla's demand is picking up. There's still a selection, but not as much. We're beginning to see the light. Hi, I'm Dirk, La Jolla Homes ex-builder, longtime realtor, here with my end of 2012 market report on Ocean View condos in the Village. On average, an Ocean View costs an average of $250 per square foot more. So a 1,000 square foot condo would average an additional $250,000 more for a good view and less for a partially obstructed view. For the last 8 months, there's been 22 sales ranging from $650,000 to $6.2 million, ranging $1.1 to $1.5 million, and taking a couple, and averaging that was $1.1 to $1.5 million, and taking a couple of months to sell. The average per square foot price is $896,000 to $913,000, oceanfront being more towards the $913,000 average. This is up 6% to 14%. So nothing dramatic, but at least an upward pattern. Inventory continues to be lower than normal, but there's still a decent selection. My complete report by neighborhood is next. I can email this market report to you if you'd like to spend some time with it. My email is Dirk, D-E-R-K, at dirk1.com. San Diego, what a wonderful place to live. This is a close-up. I realize you can't see it. It's a close-up of the data that's displayed on these little tabs all over the board in these 16 neighborhoods in La Jolla. And if you get real interested in this, just email me and I'll send you an email where you can blow up the whole board and see it very nice and clear. My email is Dirk, D-E-R-K, at dirk1.com, Dirk at dirk1.com. Now the gray tabs are single-family homes. The yellow tabs are condos, twin homes, townhomes, and the blue is just Ocean View condos. We'll confine ourselves to the gray and the yellow. Starting at the top left, it says range, and that's the price range from the last year, 2012, 670 to 3.2 million. Average 1.3 to 1.5 million. Average discount 5%. The average days on market, a month to 3 months. Average square feet, 680 to 745 square feet average. There were 19 sales in 2012, and the prices were down a little bit, 1% to 5%. That's single-family homes. The condos, and that is in the Village. I don't think I said that. The condos, the price range was $225 to $6.2 million. The average was $862 to $1,034,000, and the average discount was 4 to 5%. The average days on market was 2 months to 3 months. The average square foot was per square foot price is $604 to $670. There were 69 sales last year, and the prices were up between 1% to 9%. So now we'll go to the full board, and stick with me because at the end of this I'm going to show you a beautiful La Jolla Cove sunset. Now for Ocean View condos in the Village, and more specifically from Prospect Street to the water, that specific area, Ocean View condos range from 650 to 6.2 last year, the average being 1.1 to 1.5. The per square foot average around 900, and the prices were up 6% to 14%. There were 22 sales. It was up 55% sales volume over the previous year, 2011. Non-Ocean View, same area. The range was 401 to 2.25. Average was 917 to $1,005,000. The per square foot average 626 to 660. It's about $250 a square foot less than the Ocean View condos. So a 1,000 square foot condo would be $250,000 more for the average view. A good view, maybe $500,000. A great view, maybe $7, maybe $1 million. And There were 10 sales last year, and the prices remained about the same on the non-ocean view over the year before. So that's it. Stay tuned for a beautiful sunset direct from La Jolla Cove.